my YouTube channel, Leslie in the building. Guys, I'm literally just excited, guys. So guys, this is going to be my first YouTube channel, and I'm making something delicious tonight. So guys, my name is Leslie. I'm a mom, an inspired cook. I teach people how to make good West African dishes, and today I said, why not start a YouTube channel and to teach people how to cook. Like in the diaspora, we have so many vegetables shipped from Africa, but we don't know. Like West African countries have the same vegetables, but we don't know the names because each country has its own name in which they call their vegetable. So today I decided to make a vegetable soup and tell you the various names used in each country if I know. Okay, the ones that I know, I'm going to let you know too. And then like for example, the Nigerians, like this soup is Ero, it's called Ero soup, but Nigerians will call it Afang soup. And then the vegetable leaves used to prepare this soup is Oziza leaf in Nigerian language, and then in Cameroonian language it's also called Ero leaf. That's how it's called. So 2 vegetables are required for preparing this soup. You need Ero and you need water leaf. Nigerians and Cameroonians use the same water leaf. It's the same thing. But because we're in the diaspora and we can't find all these things, we have substitutes to them, which is spinach. So guys, we'll be using spinach to prepare this delicious Afang stroke Ero soup. Okay guys. So yes guys, let's get started. I don't like to waste much time because I'm a sharp girl. So guys, please, if this is your first time watching me or watching my videos from this channel, please guys, go ahead and subscribe, get notified each time I upload a video. And then please guys, if you see anything I'm doing not correct, please, I'm open to corrections. Okay, go ahead and say, listen, this what you're doing is not correct, you're supposed to do this way. I'll say okay. And here guys, we're going to be so real. Everything is going to call the way we call it back home. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have our spinach. It is chopped, washed and chopped. Here we have crayfish. Some people call it brown, but these are the small sizes of the brown. This is our yellow Cameroon pepper. This is we'll be using the crayfish, Maggi crayfish, to add some seasoning. We'll be using our bouillon seasoning, the chicken flavor. This is our Ero, which is called Oziza seed in Nigerian language, and Ero leaf in Cameroon. Okay, and then this is spinach. We're substituting that with water leaf. Okay, and then this is our stock fish and dried fish. I soaked this all morning. Okay, so this should be able to go. Then this is the deal, guys. If you are diabetic and you can't eat palm oil, you can use groundnut oil in replacement of palm oil. But yes, you can get this in any African stores. Okay, you can just get that in any African stores. So guys, before I started this video, I was already boiling my meat, because if I was to boil it with you guys, this video would have been so long. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and boil the beef, and then we'll start cooking from there. Okay, so guys, this is what our beef look like. This is our beef. So we have shrimp, beef tripe, beef, and then cow intestines in here. Okay, so guys, because our beef has been cooking and it's well steamed, seasoned and all that, we'll go ahead and add our stock cube and dried fish into the pot, and then we'll go ahead and add our spinach as well. Okay, I'll just do that off camera. Okay, so while our seasoning our stock, we just add the spinach, and then we'll close the pot to boil, to steam for like 5 minutes, and then we'll add in our arrow. Okay, I don't have kanda in this arrow, so I'll make use of what I have. Okay, you can always add any chicken, any protein of your choice. Okay, so I'm not gonna stir it, I'm just going to let it cool for like 5 minutes, and then we'll take it from there. Okay guys, the vegetable is cooking, so let's do some dishes. Join me, let's do some dishes together. Okay, while waiting for the vegetable to cook, we have to clean up. So yeah guys, please go ahead, feel free to request any dish you want me to cook in the comment section. Okay, anything you want me to cook, tell me and I'll do it for you. Okay, I'm never too big to receive corrections. If you say, Leslie, what you're doing is not good, you're doing the wrong way, just let me know, I will adjust. Okay, thank you guys, because I know you guys are going to subscribe, you guys are going to like, share, comment. Thank you so much, so much. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you something. I'm going to be having this arrow with water fufu. It's called water fufu, made out of yuca, which is cassava. I think the Spanish will call it yuca. Is it yuca or yuca? The Spanish people call it yuca, and then the Africans call it cassava. West African countries call it cassava. No matter where it's coming from. So I'm going to be having this cassava fufu. Nigerians will call it apple, but Cameroonians will call it water fufu. Okay, like I told you, African countries always have the same similarities, just have in food stuff, but just different pronunciations and different names, different spellings as well. Okay, but we all one people, one love, one the same ancestors. Okay. Make sure our sink is clean. So we're ready to go to the pot. This is how I do my dishes. My master knife, my chef knife. This knife is the best knife I ever had. Cuts everything into tiny pieces, even my vegetables. I so like it. I so love the knife. Alright guys, let's go and check our vegetable and see how it's doing. Okay. So guys, this is our vegetable and this is what it looks like after boiling for 5 minutes. Okay, you just have to stir. Adjust my thing. Just have to stir like so. I don't want a big pot of vegetables. I want just a small pot. So see, the spinach produces a lot of water. See that? That's the same thing water leaf though. Water leaf produces a lot of water. So they all act the same. So guys, I'll be adding some crayfish to the pot. My hot pepper. And then I'll go ahead and peel my seasoning, my crayfish seasoning, okay? This is so hard. So I'll just drop it since it's hard. I'll just drop it in there like that. Like so, because it's really hard. At this point I don't really care for seasoning because I already have enough seasoning when I was boiling my meat. So I don't want so much. I don't want it to taste too salty. So I'll add my arrow, dried arrow that I already washed. I think I put too much. Take out some. Then I add my palm oil. Then I'll close for it to boil, okay? So guys, sorry I stirred the pot over camera, but this is how the pot looks like after we steam it for like 3 minutes, and then this is after we put the vegetable oil. You see, there's so much water inside, and so we have to cook it till the water is down. We don't want to see this liquid in here, okay? So now I'm just going to add my crayfish. I'm going to put everything now. Just add my crayfish and now stir. Stir. And stir. So this is how our vegetable soup looks like. This is what it looks like. Our afang arrow soup. I know some other countries like Burkina Faso also eat this kind of vegetable. Oh, so delicious, guys. The taste is out of this world. So yum yum. Yes guys, we have to leave all this water boil down to 0. Okay? Okay, so while our vegetable is cooking, we still have some leftover arrow stroke or Caesar leaf. We're going to put them in a plastic and a Ziploc bag and store in the freezer for next time use, okay? You should never get rid of your vegetables because you soak them. You can also last in the freezer. a very long time. So guys, I didn't put arrow inside because so much pepper because of my kids. They're going to have this as well, and I don't want to prepare two different pots. So can you see this? The water is gradually thickening up. That's to tell you there's progress. Some people don't usually have this kind of water in their arrow. Okay, everybody have their own method. There's water in mine because I want it soft, the way my kids could be able to eat it. I want it really soft, the way my kids will enjoy it, will not rub. We don't like dried vegetable in our house. This is so tasty. This is yummy. Yum yum. So guys, we're gonna leave this cook for about 10 more minutes, okay? And then we'll come back to check on it, okay? So guys, it's been a while and our vegetable is ready. This is what it looks like in a plate. Can you see how delicious and look that's looking? Can you see? Can you see that green arrow? Okay. So guys, you can actually have this with cassava fufu, which is apple, but because of time I'll not be able to make this, okay? So I'll just go ahead and make some oatmeal fufu. We're gonna have this with oatmeal fufu. You can also have it with gari, which is also made from cassava, okay? You can also use this from cassava. Look at that. See how delicious that looks. See that delicious plate of arrow. Alright guys, thank you for watching my delicious arrow and afang soup, okay? If you want more videos and want to get uploaded, or you want to learn how to cook this soup, please notify me anytime, subscribe, and you get tons and tons and tons of beautiful inspiring videos from me. Alright guys, have a good night and stay blessed. Bye.